Okay, this is a video on showing you how to replace your original ACE cell with the new Scepter cell. And there's a cell. There is the hot tub, the cover off. And then first thing we do is come over to the power and shut the power off, and then we can walk over to the hot tub, and we got these wires coming here. There's one wire that comes from the ACE control. This is the actually leads from the cell. So let's take take both of those off, and then we're ready to go. It's only take a couple minutes.